Good morning, everybody. We're about to head out to the W6TRW swap meet, but I forgot to charge my car. So I'm at the Los Cerritos Center here in the background and getting the charge. We're about halfway there, so I should be there before 8 a.m. or so. Anyway, let's go. Here is a real treat, and do record the information here and look online, but check this out, guys. This is crazy. K2TKN has created a rolling World War II radio museum. This is a labor of love. Just look at this. Even down to the cigarette ash canister on the side there. Just amazing. And listen in the background. He's giving instruction to people that stop. Yeah, this is just beautiful. Look at that, T38, brand new. So new old stock.
This is a Vanille, which was the most popular of landline telegraph. So you had that and a code of click-clacks.
So they updated the system after that.
To send it over the air on and off. So that on-off key was different than clicks and clacks. Completely different sound.
Right. From the moment I stepped on the bus, he was instructing people, and here's a B29 radio. Look at that. That's just awesome. And yeah, so W6TRW back in full force. I would say the largest force I've ever seen before. There were so many tables, and everybody was distanced. You can see this. Everybody distanced out. A lot of people wearing masks. Some people not. Doing what they got to do. But even if they were not wearing masks, I think they were distanced. And here was a nice little setup. It's actually a pretty good turnout. Would you normally come to this before?
No.
Here's an old, look at that, MSAT setup. A dog and a stroller, of course. Let's talk old PC parts. Look at that. That reminds me of going to Pomona swap meet. Wow, crazy. That is that bolted into the bed?
Yeah, I've sunk in 6 riv nuts, so this is bolted into.
Oh, okay, here. Got it.
And then this pops off, and it's a different adapter plate.
That's pretty sweet.
Yeah, it makes it like a
nice idea. Is that something you bodged up?
What's that?
Is that something you bodged up, or is that a retail thing?
This is a legitimate mount.
Yeah.
And then I made all the base plates.
Cool.
And there's even a matching transformer in there. For my screwdriver that's 50 ohm to 25 ohm because the impedance is really low on lower HF.
Right. Oh, what's that, Skirter? Gotta stop and look at this. That's a DVD multiplier there. Wow. And the ARRL is there, of course, so I stopped and said hi to everybody. It was a lot of fun to catch up with some of the folks who are involved in the local ARRL. All right, here's what I'm taking away. A World War II era signal core frequency meter. Look at that. So cool. That is super cool. You got antenna, ground, the little pull connectors or push connectors. Oh, so cool. Forward gain, your phones. That is pretty cool. Look at that. And look at the dial works. Beautiful. But here's the coolest part. Check this out. Boom. Look at that. Just so cool. I'll have to look up more information on this, but there's a schematic too. Pretty awesome. Nice box. Got a nice weathered patina to it. Also with a weathered patina, this realistic weather radio. $5. I've always wanted one of these. My uncle had one. And as a kid, I always wanted it. So now I got one.